Hi YouTube, welcome to Wez Picks. Today I'm going to just go through a couple of the custom picks I've made this week. Starting with this one in 15 thousandths Starrett feeler stock with a Zebrano handle, which is sort of nearly half tang with copper tube rivets and a kind of like a slightly deeper hooked gem style, which seems to work really nicely. The handle is it's just been buffed rather than waxed or anything, because Zebrano is actually, I wouldn't say too that resinous, but it does buff up quite nice. So then the next one we've got is quite a nice, wipe it off on my neck, quite a nice medium-y sort of hook in, I think that's about 20 thousandths, maybe 24, can't remember. That's in lock steels, and that's over half tang. It's spalted beech, again with a pair of copper through rivets. That one's been super glue finished, so as you can see, it's got quite a nice shine on the timber there. Again, I tried it out, it works very nicely. And then today is it's my first attempt with I think it's crinite or crinite or something. Wipe it off. This is a deforest diamond, which I don't see, I think they're an amazing pick profile. Something I don't use that often. But crinite is an acrylic, which is slightly harder than your standard acrylics that your pen blanks and that you get. And John Eggington just sent me a few pieces through, and then I went to make a handle for this morning, and I actually found that I had a piece anyway. This is a full tang 20 thousandths Starrett feeler stock. As you can see, the crinite finishes really nicely. I've kind of lost the polish because I've had a little bang about with this afternoon and got my fingerprints all over it, but it does work really nice. So that is my crinite handled deforest diamond. It's called carbon abstract or something, the crinite itself. Anyway, I thought what we do is maybe have a go. So stick that there. What we're going to do, Starry Lock sent me one of his challenge locks the other day. It's called I don't know, who knows. But anyway, it's on a quick set. Quite a tight keyway for a quick set in a rim cylinder. Works a treat. Very nice bitting on the key. So I thought we'd have a go with the deforest diamond and see how it works. So nothing on 1, 2, click on 3, click on 4, click on 5, little click on 6, if it is a 6. Losing dropping pins. Good click out of 1 then. So let's see if we can get another. Nothing else out of 1. Nothing on 2, 3. Little click. A bit of movement on the core on 5. Deforest a little bit too deep to get over onto that last pin. Another go on number 1. I'm not saying I'm going to pick this, but we'll have a go, eh? Bit more turn of the core on number 3 then. Got a bit of counter off the last pin. I'm not going to keep calling it number 5 or 6 because I think it is number 5 actually. So back to the beginning. Nothing on 1, or maybe no, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, bit of counter on number 3, and we're in. So that was the Chromite handled DeForest Diamond. Shall we have a look, see what star he's put in here? So it's still got the actuator on the back, so we're going to have to do it the old fashioned way. Oh, am I going to be able to do it? Yeah, there we go. I do like these like these detainers on the back of these kick cylinders. They're much nicer than circlips because they don't give you quite so much grief. Dump the spring out. Let's come down here a little bit. Let's see if I can find a shim. Could have swore I had a shim just now. Where the fuck are the shims? There's one. Okay, so we'll go in there. Of course, I've done the stupid thing of that's got him. Right. Turn the core too far, like a dick. Okay, we're in. Pins are up top. So let's see what star he's put in here. So he is a 5-pinner. But we knew that, didn't we? Very nice turned pin in number 1. Turned pin in number 2. Deep spooled pin in number 3. Very nice serrated with a T-top. And very nice, let's get this down here a little bit. Turned pin in number 5, so no mods to the core. Let's have a look up top. Nice deep serrations on number 1, deep serration on number 2, same, no, it's more spoolie on number 3, standard in number 4, and it looks like a T-pin in number sorry, pin in pin in number 5. So let's get the springs out. Number 1 steel, 2 steel, 3. I think they might all be standard springs actually. Oh no, speaks too soon. There's copper on number 4. And a steel on number 5. There's no mods to the Bible. So that was Starry's, I'm going to say it, sign on? I don't know. What do you think? I'm shit at reading anyway. But thank you very much, Starry. It's a fantastic little challenge lock, but no match for the Chromite handled. Let's have one more last shot at this. DeForest Diamond. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you very much.